So students, we have taken this problem. The number of integers greater than 7,000 that can be found using the digits 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 without repetition. Okay. So greater than 7,000. So there can be, this is the digits of 4 digit. Okay. We have to keep in mind that this is the number of 4 digits. So there are two possibility. First is 4 digits, and last can be these are the 5 numbers. Okay, so second can be the 5 digits. Okay, so this 5 digits. So if you take this 5 digit number, let's take the second case. It's comparatively easy, so we take the second one first. Okay, so हम इसको लेते हैं 5 डिजिट से हैं, और इस 5 डिजिट से जितने भी नंबर बनेंगे, जाहिर सी बात है कि 7,000 से ज़्यादा ही होने वाले हैं, और रिपीट नहीं करने चाहिए। ओके, तो कितने कितने पॉसिबिलिटी हैं इसके? 5, फिर 4, फिर 3, फिर 2, फिर 1। इट मीन्स 5 फैक्टोरियल तरीके से हम इसको अरेंज कर सकते हैं। तो ये आपको हो जाएगा 120। ओके, और आगे बढ़ते हैं, पहले वाले को देखते हैं। इसमें क्या हो सकता है? यहाँ पर हम क्या ले सकते हैं? यहाँ पर हम 3 नहीं ले सकते, 5 नहीं ले सकते, 6 नहीं ले सकते, क्योंकि these are the numbers less than 7,000 and this should be less than greater than 7,000. Okay, so we can take 7 here, we can take 7. After 7, whatever we want we can take. Okay, so after 7 we are having 4 opportunities. So 4, for this 4, then 3, and then 2. So 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, that is 24. Okay, now second case can be, in place of 7 we can take 8 also. Okay, we can take 8, and that is also going to be greater than 7,000. Okay, so for that we have to multiply by 2 also. Okay, multiply by 2, because I can take here in this place I can take 8 also. Okay, so 2, again the same possibility, so 24 plus 24, or you can say 48. Now let's add these two and you will get 8, 168. Okay, 168 is the number of integers. Okay, so this is the answer. I think it is clear to you. Okay, it is not difficult, it's very easy. The thing is that you have to use just a little mind and get the answer of these questions. Okay, and if you have any doubts, any confusion, you can ask me. I am always here to solve these questions. Now let's talk about the other problem. The number of numbers strictly between 5,000 and 10,000 can be found using the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 without repetition. Okay, so let's take the first we take the 4 digit number and then 5 digit. Okay, so take the 4 digits, and let's, this is your 4 digit number, and other possibility can be 5 digit also. Okay, so what you can do in this case, let's suppose 5, number of strictly between 5. Okay, so what you can do here, in this place what you can take, in this place you can take 5, and you can take 7, and you can take 9. Okay, for this place you cannot take 1, and you cannot take 3 also, because that is going to be less than 5,000. Okay, suppose you have taken 5 here, 5 is fixed here. Okay, 5 is fixed. So how many possibilities for these three numbers? So you have taken 5, and now you have four numbers. Okay, you have 4 numbers. So for this 4 possibility, for this 3 possibility, and then 2 possibilities. Okay, and now if you multiply you will get 24. Now how many things we have? We have these 3. In place of this we can change 5, 7, 9. So multiply by 3 and we will get 72. What we will get? 72. Now this is the number of, these are the numbers of 4 digit number. Now suppose, let's, other possibility is that 5 digit number. Okay, 5 digit number, and if you take the 5 digit number And what can be the smallest number? The smallest number can be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And this is greater than 10,000. This is greater than 10,000. So there is no number possible that we can make with the help of these 5 digits and less than 10,000. That's not possible. Okay. So only 4 digit numbers are possible, and that is 72. Okay. So answer of this question is going to be 72. Okay. Let's talk about this problem. Okay. And a question is given, and that is the number of 3 digits that are divisible by either 3 or 4 but not divisible by 48. Okay, so let's first do one thing, that 3 digit numbers, and 3 digit numbers start from 100 to 999. And how many numbers are here? These are 900 numbers. Okay, these are 900 numbers. So 3 digits number between 100 to 999 is 900. Okay, 900. And number divisible by 3. So how many numbers are divisible by 3? How many numbers are divisible by 3 between 100 to 999? So let's do 999 divide by 3, and this is going to be 300. Okay, so these are divisible by, these are the numbers, these are numbers of, numbers of, number, number, this is number. Okay, numbers, number of numbers divisible by 3, and that is 300. In the similar way, number of numbers divisible by 4, that is 900 by 4. Okay, and that is going to what? 2 and 225. Okay, so these are the number of numbers divisible by 4. One thing you have to keep in mind, that there are some numbers which are divisible by 3 as well as 4. There are some numbers which are divisible by 3 and 4, and those numbers are coming here also as well as here also. And if I add this directly, it means I am adding both and also adding the common number also. So I have to not write the common number, because common number, suppose 12 is coming in this also and 12 is coming in this, and if I add 12 one times here and one times here, it means I am adding 12 two times. So this is basically, you can use here set theory. Okay, n a union b is equal to na plus nb minus n a intersection b. Okay, so what you have to do now, let's number divisible by 12, 4 and 3. So there are some number divisible by 12 also. Okay, so 900 by 12, and how many number you will get? Okay, this is the number of numbers divisible by 12. So now answer is going to be what? Answer is going to be 300 plus 225 minus 75. And what you will get? You will get 300 plus, and this is going to be 450. 450. And 450 is what? 450 is the number of 3 digit number that are divisible by either 3 or 4. Okay, either 3 or 4. But we have to keep in mind that there can be some number in which are divisible by 48 also, and we have not removed those numbers. 48 से भी डिविजिबल नंबर हो सकते हैं, हमने 12 कर दिया, पर समझो कुछ नंबर हो सकते हैं जो 48 से डिविजिबल हो, हमने उनको तो भी रिमूव नहीं किया, उनको भी रिमूव करना पड़ेगा। और इसके लिए हमें फाइंड आउट करना है कि कितने नंबर 48 से डिविजिबल हैं। और ये आपका होगा कितना? 48 टू जा इज व्हाट? 48 टू जा 3 जा, it is going to be 1 times. Let's cancel it. Okay, we can take the help of 450. So 225 1 and 105. Let's see just simple calculation. Okay, 4 and 4 to the, okay, and we can bottle, and this is going to be 10, 18 point something, okay, 18 point something. So this is not going to be point because if we are counting the numbers, so number will be integer, okay, so that is going to be the 18. So now what you have to do, 450 minus 18, you have to subtract those numbers and you will get what, 2 and 3 4, 432, 432, okay, and this is the answer of this question. So basically till now we have been discussing the question of J, okay, and if you still have any doubt, any confusion, you can ask me and I'm always here to discuss these problems of J, okay, and basically these are the problems of pyqs, J main, and if you have any questions related with any topic, you can ask me, or you have confusion, you can comment, and I can discuss that with you, okay. And if you want that you have any particular confusion, any doubt, you can also tell me that, and I can also make the video on that particular topic also, okay. So this is for today, and in next episode I will discuss some other different kind of problem, okay. So this is for the today.